Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I bring you the full review of Fast Lean Pro, a dietary supplement that promises to aid in rapid weight loss. I have tested this product in the last few months and I am here to share my honest opinion with you. Let's check it out. Before we start, let's get to know a little more about Fast Lean Pro. This supplement is formulated with a combination of carefully selected natural ingredients to aid in the weight loss process. It is presented in capsule form and is suitable for people who want to lose weight efficiently and healthily. Now, I will share with you my personal experience with Fast Lean Pro. For the past few months, I have been using this supplement regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. I want to emphasize that the results may vary from person to person, but I will report how the product worked for me. Fast Lean Pro proved to be effective in inhibiting my metabolism, which contributed to fat burning. I noticed a gradual reduction in my weight over time. However, it is important to note that for best results, it is necessary to combine the use of the supplement with a balanced diet and regular exercise. One of the things that pleased me most about Fast Lean Pro is its composition based on natural ingredients. The product does not contain any substances harmful to health, which is a plus. During the period of use, I did not experience any side effects. However, it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. Fast Lean Pro is easy to use. Simply take 2 capsules a day, preferably before your main meals, followed by water. It is important to follow the manufacturer's recommended dosage instructions for best results. Throughout the period I used Fast Lean Pro, I noticed a significant improvement in my body composition. In addition to weight loss, I also experienced a reduction in body fat and an increase in my energy during the day. However, it is important to note that each person may have different results and that the product may work differently in each organism. In conclusion, Fast Lean Pro proved to be a promising supplement for rapid weight loss. My experience was positive, but it is important to remember that it is not a miracle product. You need to adopt a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and physical activity, to get the best results. And so we conclude our video review on Fast Lean Pro. I hope you enjoyed it and that the information shared was useful to you. If you have already used this supplement or have any questions, leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to receive more content like this. A big hug and until the next video. Official site link in the video description.